How to choose and change background in Yoshion app. In today's video, let's dive into how you can personalize your Yoshion experience by choosing and changing your backgrounds. It's super simple and I will walk you through it step by step. First things first, open up your Yoshion app. I'm already inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing the staff of interface. And here you can see several options too. There's an option for the collage, poster, freestyle, and edit. As we are going to choose and change the background, you can just simply do it in the edit section too. However, if you want to do it by making the collage, you can use the option collage, and if you want to change the background on the poster, you can do so on the poster. The process is simple and similar to the every option that you choose. For this video, I'll be using this edit option, which is right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. After tapping on it, you'll be directed to all images with the gallery section, where you'll be seeing all the photos that you have in your gallery. So these are the photos that I have in my gallery. Now, in order to change the background, simply choose the photo in which you want to choose and change the background. For example, let's choose this photo, which is right over here. So here you can see an open space or a white background. Once you tap on the photo, you can see an option called Beziers, which is right over here. Simply tap on it. And here you'll be finding several options. This is the option for the colors, and there's also background that is colorful or the pattern wise. And the wonderful thing over here is you can also choose the photo from your gallery as the background too. However, I don't think you can change the background of the photo because there's no option for the background remover right over here, but there's also a way. We'll be diving into it later. First of all, let's see how we can change the background. To change the background, what we can do is simply tap on the gallery section if you want to add the background from the gallery. And there's also an option for the colors, which is the second one. And if you want to use predetermined or pre-made patterns to the background, you can choose one of this. Let's choose this one. And from here, let's choose this photo right over here, and you can see it have been added to the background. However, the white background haven't been changed. For that, let's try it from the paint section, which is right over here. Let's choose the white color. Now simply what you have to do is rub the background like this. You have to be a little bit more precise like this. You can just erase the background and add a new one. This is an idea of the tip that you can use in order to change the background, but you have to be precise. And if you have made any mistake, you can use the eraser again like this too. So that's the process. If you want to remove the background, you can use the pen, and if you want to add the background, you can use one of this. So the process is very simple. Your Yoshion background should now instantly change. If you like switching it up again later, just repeat this process again. You can experiment with different backgrounds to keep your photo look fresh and exciting. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.